Shalom!
Shalom!
Today we're going to learn a dance which we call palm trees, and it is based on the step that we learned last time, the palm trees with the turn. We're going to learn two steps which are often used in congregational dance. The first is called Cherkassia, and it is a step which comes from the Circassian area. It is an area near the Caucasus Mountains and borders the Black Sea. As we're learning these steps, we should remember that when people came to Israel in the early days, they came from the entire area of the exile, which was basically all over the world. The other step we're going to learn today is called the pivot or the basketball pivot, which I guess comes from basketball. You should know that there are these two different ways of spelling the word Cherkassia.
Shalom. Today we're going to learn a dance which is just one continuous sequence. We just keep repeating the same order of the steps over and over again. We're going to learn some new steps. The first step will be starting with the right foot, going into the center. Right, together, right, and out. Left, together, left. And go in, right, together, right, and out, together, out. And right, going in, and left, going out. We're going to add some arms to that, where as we're going in, it's like we're gathering some air with our arms going in, and on the way out, we're kind of pushing it away. Okay? So let's do that with the arms, and right, together, right, and push out, together, out. And right, together, right, going left, and out. Just coming in and out of the circle, in and out. Okay, that will be the first step of the sequence. We'll look at the other steps in a minute. We want to learn a very common step which is called Cherkassia. So Cherkassia, you're going to start with your right foot and step into the circle. And then you step back on your left foot exactly where it was before. Then you're going to take your right foot, step out of the circle, and left foot comes right back where it was. It's 4 counts. In, place, and out, place. And right, left, right, left, and right, left, and out. So it's 4 counts, in and out. And that is a regular Cherkassia step. There's one point where we do the Cherkassia with a bend at the waist. So as you're stepping into with your right, you're going to bend at the waist and then come back up and out. And go in with a bend, come back up. But you see the feet are still the same. The feet are right, in, and left, right, out. Right, in, and right, out. Still 4 counts. 2, 3, 4. Okay. There's another step, which is very common. It's called the pivot, or sometimes the basketball pivot, because it resembles a move on a basketball court. Your right foot's going to step into the center as you begin to turn to the left over your left shoulder. You step on your left foot in place. Then you're going to step out of the circle with your right foot, and then back. As you step back on your left foot, you're facing the center again. So this is the pivot. Step into the right, step left in place, step out to the right, and in place. Step in and left, and out and left. Into the center, right, over your left shoulder, pivot, in place. When you finish a step, you'll be facing the center again. One more time, right in and left, right out and left, face the center. Step in and center and out and left. We're going to review the entire sequence. Remember, the sequence for this dance, the sequence never changes throughout the music. Whatever the music's doing, we're just going to keep moving with this sequence of steps. We start with the step together step, going in and out. In and out. We're going to do the palm trees that we just learned last time. Sway right and left, turn to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do that piece again, starting with going into the center. Step together, step in and out. And palm trees, and right and left, turn right And we're going to do here the bending Cherkassia. And bend over, step right, left, right, left. Here comes a grapevine Mayim to your left, right over, right behind. Here's your pivot. Step in and center and out and center. And then one regular Cherkassia. Step in and out. Okay, again from the beginning. Step together, step in and out. Here are your palm trees. Wave. Right, left, right, turn. 1, 2, 3. Bend, Cherkassia. 2, 3, 4. Grapevine, cross over. And here's your pivot. In and out. And regular Cherkassia in place. Beginning. And go in and out and out. Wave. Right and left, turn. 1, 2, 3. Bend, Cherkassia, watch your feet, and grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot, step in and step out, Cherkassia. One more time. And in and out and out. Palm trees, wave right and left, turn right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend, Cherkassia, feet, and grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot, step in and out, Cherkassia. 1, 2, 3, 4.
He's coming on the clouds. Kings and kingdoms will bow down. And every chain will break. His broken hearts declare his praise. But who can stop the Lord Almighty? Our God is the Lion of Judah. He's roaring with power and fighting our battles. And every knee will bow before him. Our God is the Lamb that was slain for the sin of the world. His blood breaks the chains, and every knee will bow before the Lion and the Lamb. Oh, every knee will bow before the Lion and the Lamb. You give us more, our joy and beautiful garments of praise. We will be called the planting of Yah. For the captives, for all the prisoners, for the broken hearted, you give us all our joy and beautiful garments of praise. We will be called the planting.
שמעה אלוהים רינתי, הקשיבה תפילתי, מקצה הארץ אליך אקרא, בעטוף ליבי, בצור ירדו ממני, תנחני, בצור ירדו
גלים. Scissors forward, מספריים לפנים.